Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Word. Let us continue. First, open the Word. Here the version is 2013. You can use any other version. Choose the black document. Now in last lecture we have seen all these things. Font name, font size, how to increase decrease font. Then there is bold, italic, underline. Okay, font color. Then font has different styles. Now today let us going to learn other options. Here is option of bullet and numbering. Okay, you have to simply click on bullet. Now here the bullet is appear. If you want different symbol for this bullet, then simply go to here, click on define new bullet, then click on symbol. Here you have a different symbol. If you want some symbol as some object, then you have to go, you have to choose the font of wingdings 2 and wingdings 3. Here you have a so many symbols. Okay, you can also scroll it. Okay, let us use the for example, let us use this hand. Okay, simply click on OK, and here is the bullet. Now you have to type simply welcome to learn MS Office. Suppose here I use enter, then automatically second bullet is appear. This is used for documentation. Okay, now again click, then you have a next bullet. Okay, if you don't want any bullet, then simply click here, the bullet is on, then simply click here, then the bullet get off, and you can continue with your normal typing. Okay, suppose here after we have typed subtext and again we want bullet, then press enter and again click on bullet. The same bullet will get repeat. You can choose any type of other type of bullet. Okay, now what happen whenever you want to type anything, if you are going and going, suppose now here the line is end, then bullet then next line is continue in the other line. But if this point is finished and if you want to start new point, then again click again press enter, then here the new bullet is formed. Okay, like this you can use bullets. One more thing in bullet, if you press the double enter, then also bullet get disappear. Here look, here we have bullet, but if you don't want bullet, then again press enter and then bullet get off. Okay, now here again we want bullet. Suppose I write here point 1, and this bullet I want little bit inside the main bullet. Then here you have a option of indent, increase indent and decrease indent. Click on increase indent. Now here is the sublist of bullet. Okay, suppose again you want the main list, then decrease the indent. Now here is the main list. Again if you want to use the sub bullet, again decrease the indent. Here also you can choose a different style for bullet. Suppose here you want to choose this one, and this style is appear for bullet. Okay, see here, look at the screen. Again we want the main bullet, decrease the font. Here you can choose bullet. You can also use here nested type. Suppose here we have some bullet and we want this bullet again inside the second bullet. Again you want this bullet sub bullet. Now again here you have to decrease the indent. Again, if you want, again decrease the indent. Now again decrease the indent. Okay, like this you can use bullet. Like bullet you can also use numbering. Here you have numbering. By default number is 1 2 3 4. Yeah, same formatting, same type is applied for numbering. If you want no number, then press enter. If you want different type of numbering, then you can use here A B C D Roman letters like this. Okay, here also you have some ready-made list. Suppose we choose here this list. Okay, we have choose here this one. Suppose again we want sub it as sub bullet, then like this list, this your list will get arranged. Okay, like this you can use different type of bullet. This is used for indexing. Suppose here we want indexing bullet. Again up it and start a new bullet. Suppose let us divide it, start a new bullet. Here 2 is appear, but we want sub bullet, therefore I choose the this one first and then click on indent. Now there is 1.2, then 1.3. Again we want sub list 1.3.1, then 1.3.2. Okay, you can also instead of indent you can also use here backspace. Okay, but by using backspace the bullet get close. Again use here indent. Okay, this point is 1, this is 1.1, now this point is 2, and again here we use sub list, then this point is 2.1. Okay, like this you can use bullet. You have to keep practicing this bullet and numbering. This is very interesting topic. Thank you for watching the lecture.